Welcome to our exploration of the enchanting world of handcrafted rustic wooden projects. In today's fast-paced, mass-produced society, there is a growing appreciation for unique, artisanal creations that bring warmth and character into our homes. Rustic wooden decor not only tells a story, but also evokes a sense of nostalgia, connecting us to nature and traditional craftsmanship. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a passionate DIY enthusiast, this journey will inspire you to tap into your creativity and discover the potential for turning your handcrafted ideas into profitable endeavors. As we delve into this vibrant niche of home decor, we will explore various aspects that contribute to the success of handcrafted rustic wood projects. From understanding market trends and consumer preferences to effective branding and marketing strategies, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive in this industry. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of sustainability and craftsmanship in creating pieces that not only enhance living spaces but also resonate with eco-conscious buyers. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey to transform rustic wood into a profitable venture that reflects your passion and creativity. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of handcrafted rustic wooden projects, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, tips, and creative ideas that can help you on your own woodworking adventures. Don't forget to share this video with friends and fellow enthusiasts who might also appreciate the beauty of rustic decor. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable content. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video. We have some exciting insights and exclusive tips that you won't want to miss. Your engagement fuels our passion for sharing the art of woodworking, and we can't wait to explore these ideas together. In recent years, the allure of handcrafted rustic wooden projects has gained significant traction in the home decor market. Consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, artisanal pieces that offer a sense of individuality and warmth. The rustic aesthetic resonates with many, evoking feelings of nostalgia and connection to nature. As a result, turning these handcrafted ideas into profitable ventures can be both fulfilling and financially rewarding. This article explores how you can capitalize on the growing demand for rustic wooden decor while considering the broader market environment. The first step in transforming rustic wooden project ideas into profit is understanding your target audience. People interested in home decor often seek products that reflect their values and lifestyle. Many consumers today prioritize sustainability and craftsmanship over mass-produced items. By focusing on the rustic charm of handcrafted wooden pieces, you can appeal to this demographic, highlighting the unique story behind each creation. Engaging with your audience through storytelling can enhance their emotional connection to your products, making them more likely to purchase. Market research is crucial when venturing into the handcrafted rustic wood sector. Analyzing current trends can provide insights into what styles, designs, and materials are popular among consumers. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are invaluable resources for discovering emerging trends in home decor. By observing what resonates with potential buyers, you can tailor your project ideas to meet market demands. This proactive approach not only increases your chances of success, but also positions you as a knowledgeable player in the rustic decor market. Sourcing high-quality materials is essential for creating durable and appealing rustic wooden projects. The choice of wood can greatly affect the final product's aesthetic and longevity. Consider sourcing locally, as this can reduce transportation costs and promote sustainability. Additionally, using reclaimed wood can add character to your pieces while appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Highlighting the origin of your materials can further enhance the story behind your creations, making them more attractive to buyers. Once you have your project ideas and materials in place, it's time to consider production methods. Handcrafting each piece allows for a level of detail and personalization that automated processes cannot replicate. This attention to detail can set your products apart in a competitive market. However, It's important to balance craftsmanship with efficiency. Streamlining your production process without compromising quality can help you meet demand while maximizing profit margins. Branding plays a significant role in the success of any business. Developing a strong brand identity that reflects the rustic ethos can help you stand out in the market. Your brand should convey not only the quality of your products, but also the values and lifestyle associated with rustic living. Consider creating a cohesive visual identity, including a logo, color palette, and packaging that resonates with your target audience. An effective brand story can foster loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Marketing your handcrafted rustic wooden projects requires a multifaceted approach. Online platforms provide an excellent avenue for reaching a broader audience. Setting up an e-commerce website can serve as a central hub for your products, while social media channels can showcase your craftsmanship and connect with potential customers. Engaging content, such as behind-the-scenes videos and customer testimonials, can help build a community around your brand. Collaborating with influencers in the home decor space can also extend your reach and generate interest in your products. Local markets and craft fairs offer additional opportunities to showcase your rustic wooden projects. These events provide a platform to connect directly with consumers, allowing you to gauge their reactions and receive immediate feedback. Engaging with customers face-to-face can deepen their connection to your brand and encourage word-of-mouth promotion. Offering limited-time promotions or exclusive pieces at these events can further entice buyers and drive sales. Pricing your handcrafted rustic wooden projects effectively is crucial for profitability. A thorough understanding of your costs, including materials, labor, and overhead, can help you establish a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your work. While it may be tempting to underprice your products to attract customers, it's essential to consider the quality and uniqueness of your creations. Setting a price that aligns with the market while ensuring profitability can be challenging but vital for long-term success. As you grow your handcrafted rustic wood business, consider expanding your product offerings. Diversifying your range can attract a wider audience and increase your revenue potential. For instance, if you start with furniture, you might branch out into smaller home decor items such as wall art or kitchenware. Each new product should align with your brand's rustic aesthetic and values, ensuring cohesion across your offerings. Customer feedback is a valuable tool for improvement and innovation. Actively seeking input from your buyers can provide insights into their preferences and experiences. Online reviews, surveys, and direct conversations can help you understand what resonates with your audience. Incorporating this feedback into your product development can lead to better designs and higher customer satisfaction, ultimately boosting your profit margins. Establishing a strong online presence is essential in today's digital landscape. Optimizing your website for search engines can increase visibility and drive traffic to your online store. Consider incorporating a blog that shares tips on rustic decor, woodworking techniques, and the benefits of handcrafted products. This not only positions you as an expert in your field, but also attracts potential customers searching for related content. Networking with other artisans and businesses in the rustic decor space can provide valuable opportunities for collaboration and growth. Joining local craft organizations or online communities can foster relationships that lead to joint ventures, shared resources, and increased exposure. Collaborations can take many forms, from co-hosting events to creating limited edition products together, all of which can enhance your brand visibility. Sustainability is increasingly becoming a key consideration for consumers. Emphasizing eco-friendly practices in your woodworking business can resonate with environmentally conscious buyers. Whether through sourcing reclaimed wood, using non-toxic finishes, or adopting energy-efficient production methods, highlighting your commitment to sustainability can enhance your brand appeal. This focus not only attracts a dedicated customer base, but also aligns with broader market trends toward responsible consumerism. In conclusion, turning handcrafted rustic wooden project ideas into profit is a multifaceted endeavor that requires careful planning, creativity, and market awareness. By understanding your audience, employing effective branding and marketing strategies, and emphasizing quality craftsmanship, you can create a successful business that resonates with consumers. With dedication and a passion for rustic design, you can transform your creative ideas into a thriving venture in the ever-evolving home decor market. Thank you for watching our video on handcrafted rustic wooden projects. We hope you found the insights and ideas inspiring as you embark on your own creative journey. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more videos that celebrate the beauty of rustic decor and woodworking techniques. Your likes and shares help us reach a wider audience, allowing us to continue producing valuable content that resonates with fellow enthusiasts. We truly appreciate your support and can't wait to bring you even more exciting projects and tips in the future. Stay tuned and happy crafting!